Hello guys, in this video we are going to change the Android app icon in the fastest possible way. So let's get started. If you want to master Android apps and games development, then click subscribe and the bell icon, and let's do this together. Open Android Studio. I am using Android Studio version 2021.3.1. In the Welcome to Android Studio screen, click New Project. In the New Project screen, select Empty Activity. Click Next. Write the project name and package name. Usually, it's your website name in reverse order .project name. I am going to save the project on my desktop. For language, select Java or Kotlin. For minimum SDK, leave it as it is. Click Finish and wait for Android Studio to build and configure your empty project. Click Device Manager and run your emulator. Run the app. As you can see, the app has launched. Click Back button, swipe the screen, and there you will find the app icon with the default image. Next, expand RES, MIPMAP, IC_launcher, and there you will find the default images, which will be replaced once we finish the process. Close the tabs. I have this image on my desktop with 512 by 512 pixels, which I will use as my app icon. Open Android Studio. Right click on RES, New Image Asset. In the Configure Image Asset screen, select the image from desktop for path. Resize the image and make sure the main component stays inside the circle. Next, click on the Background Layer tab and select a color. You can provide the RGB value or the hex color code. Press Enter. Click Next. In the Confirm Icon Path screen, select Main for resource directory. Click Finish. Run the app again. Press the back button. Swipe the screen, and there you will see the default app icon has been replaced by our custom image. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial. Take care. If you find this tutorial useful, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.